Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to restore old and blurry photos for free in just one click. Now, I want to restore this old photo of the legendary football player Pelé. First, open Google Chrome. Search for Google Gemini and open the first link. Next, upload your old or blurry photo. Then, copy the prompt given in the description below. Paste it in the text box under your photo. Click Submit. Wait for Gemini AI to process your photo. Once done, click Download and save the restored image to your desired folder. Now, open Chrome again and search for Convert High-Resolution Image. Click on Pixel Cut. The website should appear near the top. Upload the image you downloaded from Gemini. Wait for Pixel Cut AI to enhance the photo resolution. Once finished, download and open your final image. And that's it. You've successfully restored your old blurry photo in high quality, completely free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.